again, bro. What's really happening, guys? This one still happen for Auchi again. No. This one just did they happen again. So no. Like it never reached like 1 hour ago where this one they happen for J2 Junction. What's wrong? How those trailer driver cut the driver be say they know that shit. More than 4 people, like they don't feel rush them. ASAP. They don't feel rush them. These are lives, bro. Oh gosh. And moreover, we talk about this particular thing, we talk about the trailer driver. I swear we are talking about the bad road. That J2 Junction road, no, especially that J2 Junction, the road no good again for there. If you stay outside, you will understand what they try and talk. The gallops and the bad road self still they involved on this particular accident where would they talk about? Accident they happen, the bad road is involved. And the trailer drivers, they want to go proper training. See, innocent lives again now. Since last week to this week now, they don't register more than 4 accidents by trailer drivers in Auchi presently. Even yesterday, another trailer driver jammed one Lexus guy. He jammed the Lexus guy. The guy got to confront the driver. The driver say, "Hey, now not be accident. Just imagine. You don't feel any remorse. See this Lexus. No, you don't feel any remorse." Fuck. Bro, those are lives. Those are lives, bro. Those are lives. Guy, they pay me, say. They don't even rush anybody of them. They don't even rush any of them inside. Inside, like, the trailer match that GK, he match and he pass the GK body, like, he pass Sam like this. He pass Sam. God. Don't pay me. May God grant those Lord's souls eternal rest, because looking at this video alone, bro. God go save us for this country. You go over the drive. If you drive from where you did, reach us, you don't know what God do for you. Especially where they stay out in that to drive past that J2 Junction. There's no way you know if you drive reach that J2 Junction, because it leads to everywhere for Auchi. And there is so bad. And God will save us. All peace and love.